everybody, welcome back to the Studio channel. So good to be back right here. By the way, today I'm going to continue my last rendering project, which is Pantry 224. As you can see on the screen, we have the scene already set. So if you want to watch my full tutorial content, you can check link in the description below, and also you can download the project file in that content too. So if you want, grab it fast because it's a limited download link in that content. So let's continue this project. I will make a square image for my social media and vertical video animation. So let's start from this existing scene number 2. Let's see if we have a good detail for the shoot. Let's change navigation to orbit, get more flowy movement, and turn off the clipping as well, and change to 1 point perspective. Alright, I think I want to take this line is good. Maybe the appliances. Or the chair. This is looks good. I want to take this parametric pendant lamp. Let's try this scene. Let's move to image mode and change the aspect ratio to square. Okay, and then change the perspective to 2 point, like this. And then let's turn on the grid to help us on making composition. Okay, maybe we need to turn down the field of view, maybe 45. Oops, too big. 60. And change the navigation to fly with 1 speed so we can move accurately. Okay, I think we need a bigger field of view, maybe 60. Okay, go up a little bit. I think I wanna shoot this 2 chair. Yeah, maybe like this. Okay, nice. Does it look nice? Let's keep the scene. I will not playing with depth of field because it's a big scene. We have a lot of object on the little space, so we don't have to use depth of field, because if we use it, it will look weird. It will blur this area, and I don't want, because it looks not consistent. Okay, I will keep the off field off. Update the scene. Save for the safety. Then let's try render it on 1080. Okay, it's enough. Let's render it. It should be less than a minute, so let's wait. Like I said before, it's less than a minute. It's pretty fast. Let's see. Okay, it's good, but it looks like overexposure here. Let's tweak the scene a little bit. Highlight local. Oh, I think this is the material because it's still overexposure on the table. You can see, yeah. So it's material issue. I think we need to turn down the specular, maybe 0.1. Roughness 0.28. Let's clear this. Looks overexposure. It's still wrong. Maybe we should fix it on the Photoshop later. So let's render it with additional channel so we can fix it on Photoshop. So we need reflection and ambient occlusion, and change the resolution to 1080. Okay, and let's render it. It should be less than a minute, I hope. Let's wait. Nice. It's still less than a minute. This is the main image, the ambient occlusion, and the reflection. Let's close this D5 and open Photoshop. I have to close the D5 because I have to conserve my computer resource. But we have to open the former Photoshop file on the main image, on 4K image, and let's take the camera raw preset and apply it on our square image format. So let's open this layer that containing the camera raw. Open it and save the setting and put on your target folder. Okay, let's close this and then open the square image, and let's change the image mode to 16 bits and then convert it to smart object, and then sorry, I have to turn off so you can see the whole screen. It's convert to smart object, go to filter, camera raw, and click on auto. Okay, but we have already a preset for this project, so just load it and then go to target folder and open the former preset. Okay, so this overexposure area is already fixed, and then let's put reflection channel so we can add more dramatic reflection. Let's change the layer mode to screen color dodge. I think color dodge is nice, and turn down the opacity. I think 25 looks great. Okay, and let's add ambient occlusion to get more depth and volume. Let's change the layer mode to soft light, and then turn down the opacity. Maybe around 40, and let's see the difference. So this is the original with camera raw and add reflection channel with ambient occlusion channel. Okay, looks better. Let's save the PSD file so we can tweak it later if we don't satisfied with current result. And let's export it to JPEG file. Export as. Make sure it's on high preset. Let's export it. Go to target folder and save it. Let's compare the image with a former result. Yeah, quite similar vibe. Love it. Let's go to the next scene and open again the D5 file. Let's start from last scene. It's scene number 3, and let's change the direction. We want to take this spot. I think it looks great. Let's move to image mode, and for the scene maybe I will playing with depth of field, change the aspect ratio. Okay, I want to take this parametric light because it looks beautiful. This is a blank spot. Looks bad. So how about from here? Okay, 2-point perspective, and then that should just focus in this area. Okay, blur here, that's what I expected. Just blur. Okay, I will keep this scene. Okay, let's render it. Change the resolution to 1080, which is what I need for my social media. Let's try it. It should be a little longer because we have a massive blur on the front, so let's wait. Okay, it's finished. It's 5 seconds longer, but it's still pretty fast. Let's see the result. Oh, okay, love it. Beautiful, the blur, the focus. I think the blur is too strong. Let's turn down a little bit. Maybe 9. Okay, render again, because sometimes it looks different between the viewport and the result, so that's why we still have to do trial and error, even is a real-time render engine. Let's check the result again. I think we need more strong blur. I had to do this, render on the same scene over and over again to get a better result. maybe 9.7. Let's try this. I hope it will be better. Let's see again for the third time result. I think this is the best shot I get, so let's keep on this. Let's add additional channel, reflection and ambient occlusion. Let's render it. Let's close the D5 and open up the Photoshop to edit that last render. Let's open the main image. And then change the image mode to 16-bit and then convert it to smart object. Go to filter, open the camera raw and just load the previous setting. Looks great. And then let's put reflection channel to get more dramatic reflection and change the layer mode to color dodge and then turn down opacity of 40%, same as previous render. Let's see, we have more dramatic reflection. And then let's put ambient occlusion channel to get more depth. Change the layer mode to soft light and then turn down the opacity. Let's play a little bit. Okay, 15% opacity is the best value for this image. Let's see the difference. This is the original with camera raw. Reflection add looks too strong. Let's turn down to 30. And then the ambient occlusion. I think 15 is still good. So let's save the PSD file so we can tweak it later if we don't satisfied with current result. And let's export it to JPEG file and compare it to another square image. Export as, make sure it's on high, go to the target and save it. Let's see the difference. The original and the edited version. And let's see for another image. Okay, looks nice, love it. Let's move to the last square image scene. Open again the D5 file. Let's close this. The last scene is a general's view. So let's start from scene number 2. This is a main view of this render. I just need to change the aspect ratio to square, adjustment a little bit. Okay, and just render it because it's already good. You don't have to test the render because it's already rendered on 4K resolution. Just hit the render. Okay, let's open the result on Photoshop. Let's start edit this image. Let's change the mode to 16 bits and then convert it to smart object. Go to filter, camera raw, and just load the preset. Okay, now it looks bold, and let's put the reflection channel to get more dramatic reflection. Change to color dodge and then turn down the opacity. %, nice. And then let's put ambient occlusion. Change to soft light and then turn down the opacity to 15%. Okay, looks great. Let's see the difference. Original, camera raw, add reflection and ambient occlusion. Okay, lovely. Let's export this to JPEG file. Make sure it's on high. Export to the target folder and save it. So we have 3 square images. Let's see the result. The first image, the second image, and the third image. Okay, looks beautiful for me. And next I will make animation from these 3 scenes. I will make animation from these 3 existing scenes. I will start from scene number 3 and then click this, make the current camera on the scene and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Okay, and then let's move to video mode. Clip number 1, add the current camera. Okay, let's change the camera setting. It should be 45 field of view. Let's try 25. It's too close, I think. 45 is good. I won't make maybe a vertical move. Start from here and go up like this. Let's refresh the scene and then add the scene. Let's play it. Feels too fast. Let's try on 4 seconds. Still too fast. Maybe 5 seconds. Okay, looks nice, feels better. Let's go to clip number 2, but we have to make another camera. Let's move to scene number 4 and then click this camera button and click current camera. Change the aspect ratio to vertical and then get inside the camera, change the field of view, maybe 35 or maybe 25. Okay, I will use 25. Go to video mode, add clip number 2 and then click this camera, selected camera, add selected camera. Okay, let's change focus on this bottle, update the scene, slide it and change the focus to this rack and add the scene. Let's play it. How about 4 seconds? Let's see. Let's compare it to the first clip. Yeah, I think 4 seconds is proper. Let's see the change of the focus. Alright, beautiful. I will keep this. And the last clip is a general view. So let's start from scene number 2. Click camera button here, click current camera, change the aspect ratio, get inside, change the field of view, maybe 25, 35, 35 is good. Let's move to video mode, add another clip, select the camera that you want to add, selected camera. Okay, I will just do orbit move like this. I will start from this side, So we get this track lamp inside the scene. Update and then orbit until the curtain. Let's play it. Too fast. How about 4 seconds? Still too fast. Maybe 5 seconds. Too slow. I think 4 seconds is the best second. Let's test from clip number 1. Okay, good. Clip number 2. Clip number 3. Okay. So we just add this to the render queue. I will change it to 2K resolution, and then frame rate 30 FPS is enough. Let's add every clip to the render queue. Okay. Okay. And just run it. Check them all and run it. So before I run this render, I have to finish this video. By the way, thank you for watching this video. I hope it's very useful for you guys. And by the way, I will inform you that you can download this project file on the previous content. You can check the link in the description below. So stay tuned on my channel to see the tutorial like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.